5 mentors stood at 5 doors.
Each one teaches a different kind of money decision.
Money smarts. 5 jars. Earn, save, spend, give, goal.
Insurance genius. The pay-it-away side for the rare ruinous events.
Investor Lab, the chase-it side. Time is the cheat code.
What's a tax? Write a paycheck. Build a citizen. Show me the rows.
Business world, make it, sell it, stand behind it, the builder mindset.
5 tracts, 60-plus episodes, hundreds of KPT pages of teaching.
All of it under one annual pass.
$149 a year. All 5 tracks. Every KPT pack.
Transcript Kit, certificate of completion.
Pick the door that makes you lean forward. That's your first path.
The other 4 wait inside the same pass. You can pick them later.
A goal you write down beats a goal you only think about.
Tonight at dinner, vote as a family which tract goes first.
Most adults never had this conversation. Yours just did.
There is no wrong path. There is only the next one. Pick your first path tonight at flexlify.com/cashquest-kids. $149 a year for all 5 tracks.